Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Soumya, an interior designer by profession and a content creator by passion. And today I'll take you on a journey of how I created this living room from scratch. So this is how this living room looked like initially in this not so good looking green color. So first come first, we changed the color to white first. And then we did a little bit of wallpapering on the main wall to create a focal look and sort of highlight the wall in a subtle way, but yet create a sense of depth here. So we chose this very basic but very rustic and sort of wallpaper, and then we placed our sofa here. And after the sofa came the wall art. We wanted to give it a little bit of Indian look this time, so we went with this Pichwai wall art. It's actually a print from Amazon. I will try and put the link of everything that I've used here in the description. This lamp is also from Amazon, and it's a very beautiful, sturdy floor lamp. It gives a very nice look to this entire area. And then this side table that you see here, it's a DIY table. The center table again is a DIY table. It's made from the discarded doors. And the center on the center that you see there is a white tile, and then came the cushions. So I picked up the colors from the paintings and to create that to spread the colors nicely in this area. And then these little bit of layering I did. This lamp is again a DIY. I did it from the gullak, and little bit of other elements like this wall plate, greenery, and Buddha here. So this box I wanted to keep here to keep the little knickknacks and keys and little slips as soon as you enter the home, because this is the main cabinet as you enter the home. So that's how it looked like. Then this corner I wanted to highlight again in the same look. So these again Pitchway wall plates I bought from Amazon. And to add more layers to my sofa, I added this throw and some more cushions in the same color palette. These little details, as they say, details are not the details, they make the design. It is just rightly said. Because with these details only you get the entire look that gives so much of warmth. To hide the wires, messy wires, I had put a planter here, and that's the whole look. That's how it looked like. And we sort of really enjoy being here and spend most of our evenings and mornings and gatherings here only. And that's our Indian home. I hope you also enjoyed watching it as much as we do.